Johann Gottlob Lehmann, scientist. Johann Gottlob Lehmann, for August 17, 1922, January 1767, was a German mineralogist and geologist noted for his work and research contributions to the geologic life and career. Lehmann was born in Langenhunnersdorf, Electorate of Saxony, and attended the University of Wittenberg, from which he received an M.D. in 1741, and then established a practice in Dresden. Living in Saxony, he developed an interest in the local mining industry and published on the chemical composition of ore deposits. In 1750, the Royal Prussian Academy of Sciences commissioned him to study mining practices throughout Prussia. In 1761, the Russian Imperial Academy of Sciences invited him to St. Petersburg, where he became professor of chemistry and director of the Imperial Museum there. At the Bryazovskoye deposit in the Urals, he discovered a lead ore with a reddish-orange mineral PbCr offer, which he named Rottblayer's red lead ore. Today in English its name is Crockweat. Lehmann, Georg Christian Fuchsel, and Giovanni Arduino were founders of stratigraphy. The chief merit of Lehmann is his accurate description of the stratified rocks Flotzgebirge. He distinguished 30 successive bands of rock in the stratified system of Ilfeld and Mansfeld, and set forth the geological structure of that district in an accompanying series of diagrams and sections. Many of the terms in his description of the Thuringian deposits were adopted by him from the miners and have been retained in geological literature. For example, Setstein or mine stone, corresponding to the Magnesian limestone and shales or Upper Diazic group in England, and Rothlegend or red underlayer, the unproductive. Lehmann died in St. Petersburg from injuries caused by the explosion of a retort filled with arsenic. Selected works: Abhandlung von den Metallmuttern und der Erzeugung der Metalle aus der Naturlehre und Bergwerkswissenschaft hergeleitet und mit chemischen Versuchen erwiesen, Berlin 1753. Versuch einer Geschichte von Flotzgebirgen betreffend deren Entstehung, Lage, darin befindliche Metallen, Mineralien und Fossilien größtenteils aus eigenen Wahrnehmungen und aus denen Grundsätzen der Naturlehre hergeleitet und mit nachweisen Kupfern Versuchen, Berlin 1756, digitalisiert. Gedanken von denen Erschaffen der Erdbeben und deren Fortpflanzung unter der Erde, Berlin 1757. Kurzer Entwurf einer Mineralogie. Berlin 1758. Cadmiologie oder Geschichte des Farbenkobolds nach seinen Namen, Arten, Lagerstätten, Darby brechenden Metallen, Mineralien, Ersten und Steinen, Berlin 1760.